Yo.
What was it?
You can make me something to eat, bro.
Yeah, what you want?
Yeah, like a,
Let me get chicken and pancakes.
you just said chicken and pancakes? Never heard of chicken and pancakes, nigga? Who makes chicken and pancakes? It's chicken and waffles, bro.
Bro, we're from the hood.
Have you ever heard of a waffle iron or whatever, waffle maker at Dollar General? Yeah, you are kind of. No.
You right. Yo, bro, can you just,
Bro, I'm not making you chicken and pancakes, bro. You're gonna have to do it yourself, alright? Get that through your. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna do it myself. Let's try this out real quick. Oh, that stuff is actually fire. But wait.